Okay, so we are doing a little project down here. We took down the old ceiling and we put up some R19 insulation, or is it R21? It might be R21 insulation, I don't see a number. But anyway, so the object is we have these metal channels here. It comes with what's called a hat channel or a hat bracket, and these have a rubber seat on them that you screw to the joists above, and these metal channels go across the ceiling. So you put them at 24-inch intervals, and then you put the hat brackets every 48 inches. So you have one here and here, and then you stagger them so that they aren't connected to the same joist. So the next one is here and here, and then you have back to the original location again. So anyway, the object is we are going to put the hat brackets and the channels on the ceiling, and then we have a first layer of 1/2-inch gypsum board or sheetrock. Then we roll, where's that stuff? This special green glue onto it, and that creates a rubberized sound isolation barrier. And then we put up a second layer of wallboard, and it's supposed to greatly reduce the sound transmission from an upper floor to a lower floor. So we have the first layer of wallboard is up in this room. These are the sprinkler heads. We lowered these down an extra inch to accommodate the new ceiling. And then we also removed the can lighting and put in these blue ceiling boxes. It's just going to be a surface mounted light now. But yeah, anyway, it's kind of an interesting way to handle this. This has been a bedroom for an older child, and it happens to be right under the kitchen nook area, so there is a fair amount of noise, commotion going on up there in the mornings, and a teenager tends to want to sleep while other younger siblings are getting up and about. So we'll see what happens here with this isolation stuff to mitigate the noise situation, and I will do a follow-up video when we have it. If you listen closely, you might be hearing the footprints of younger kids running around, and I personally have my doubts that it'll work, because I've tried other ways of doing this and nothing ever seems to work. But this is a newer, better way to do it with the rubberized isolation. It's kind of got submarine technology in it. So you can see that isolation base on the hat channel, hat bracket. So, okay, well, it is Friday and the Ducks are playing Utah, and being that Kelly is an avid supporter of the Ducks, I have to go and watch the Ducks game. Go Ducks. Okay. Mitch is applying the green, what do they call it? Green glue? Green acoustic adhesive. Noise-proofing compound. So you're supposed to put 2 large tubes per sheet of wallboard.
Cut. Take 2.
Nothing wrong with it. It just bumped into a post. So we've got the first layer of wallboard up. We've got 2 layers on that side. This looks like that stuff Freckles lets up about once a month. For any Frank Zappa fans. Yeah, green glue. By CertainTeed. These are the bases for the channel. Rubber isolating. Yep. Okay, there you see we have the ceilings are in motion being mudded. We've got a bag of 40-minute speed mud up, and we ran out of finished top coat. So we have our 2 layers of mud, or 2 layers of half-inch sheetrock with the channel and the H brackets to hold things up. And it definitely does cut the amount of noise you hear from voices, but stomping around, you still hear that. And so, like everything, it can only do so much. And ideally, I guess one of the things that they do to really lower sound transmission between floors is they will put this stuff on the ceiling and the walls, and then you have a room that is completely isolated from the house. So you get no sound transmission through the walls or ceiling because it is all isolated with the rubber seats. So anyway, there you go. You can see the 2 layers of sheetrock in there. Okay. And the kids around here are doing artwork.